Okay, so we're going to have a look at right ward off. So where we finished was in left ward off, which was our right foot pointing to the corner. So again, if I use this square, I'm going to the corner of my square, not the corner of the room. And my other foot is directly facing forward, and my left hand is pointing to the wall on my right hand side. My right hand is following my right foot, and I'm looking at the wall in front of me, which is where my opponent is now coming from. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to transfer my weight over to my right foot and turn the left foot so both my feet are parallel to the corner. Now you'll notice when I move my left foot, my whole body is going with it. This means my left hand lands in front of my body. Okay, so just again, way back, lifting up the toe of the left foot and turning it till it's in the corner. At this point, I can then grab with my left hand and pull. At this point now, my left hand is now facing towards the wall, and it's just kind of on the outside of my left shoulder. And my right hand at that same point is going to turn in a small circle to be palm behind. So once again, right hand facing the same as my right foot, left hand pointing to my right hand side. And I'm going to transfer my weight over. As I do that, I'm turning my whole body, and right hand turns down, left hand pulls across. At this point now, my left hand is facing the front, which would be my right hand side for you, and my right hand is facing behind. At this point now, I'm going to first free that right foot, bring that right foot in, and my right hand comes in at the same time. Step back out into a bow stance, and right hand comes up, left hand comes down to point at the centre of right with a forearm. My right elbow is over my right knee, and being sure that my right knee has not gone past my toe. I want to be able to see my toes, and my left shoulder is in line with my right arm. And that's right ward off. So I'm going to show you that again. So get it into left ward off. And here I am. Transfer the weight over. Turn. Pull to the left. Right hand comes down. And then lifts up to right ward off. Once more. Popping myself into left ward off. Weight over to the right. Turn everything. At this point, my feet are facing the corner, over that corner, but my shoulders, my waist, my shoulders are facing the 3 o'clock position. I'm going to pull back to the corner. So my shoulders are going to turn back to the corner. And then my right hand and my right foot come in, step back into bow stance to finish the move. We need to be extra careful that I don't allow those shoulders to rise. We need to keep our nice comfortable stance all the way through. Okay, so I'm going to go from beginning, preparation, and grasp the bird's tail, left ward off. Grasp the bird's tail, right ward off. Brilliant. I'm going to do right ward off from every direction now, just so you can see it from each direction. So if I turn to this direction, I put myself into left ward off. Transfer my weight over, bring left foot to the corner, shoulders out, facing forward. Pull to my left, and step right ward off. From this position. Weight over. Pull to the left. Right ward off. Weight over, turn to the corner.